Encircling our planet like a green shroud, forests blanket 31% of the land area, serving as the planet's lungs and a refuge for myriad species. Under threat, each year we see forests, our green bulwark against climate change, being decimated at an alarming rate, leading to a catastrophic biodiversity loss. Picture a world devoid of the Amazon's verdant expanses, the Congo Basin's dynamic ecosystems, or the rich tapestry of Southeast Asian rainforests. Forests embody complex networks, crucial not only for producing oxygen, but also as habitats for wildlife and humanity. Yet the assault of deforestation, climate change, and biodiversity loss tears at this fabric of life. Without urgent action, we risk our forests and our future. Join us as we piece together the forest story, revealing the gravity of inaction and the light of sustainable solutions, showing how our fate is tied to these terrestrial guardians. Beneath the dense canopy, a vibrant web of life thrives. Forests, dynamic repositories of biodiversity, host about 80% of the world's terrestrial species. This mosaic of life, featuring species both known and yet to be discovered, maintains ecological equilibrium. Each organism, from the minuscule pollinator to the apex predator, is vital. This delicate balance, however, is in jeopardy. The diversity granting the forest its resilience also exposes its vulnerability. The disappearance of even one species can disrupt the ecosystem significantly. Thus, our focus extends beyond saving trees to preserving the cradle of biodiversity that forests are. Moving forward, we explore the vital challenges this harmony faces and the collective action required to protect these irreplaceable ecosystems for posterity. Our journey of conservation is a shared responsibility, a testament to our role as Earth's stewards. The forest's role in mitigating our planet's climate crisis is undeniable. As nature's carbon sinks, forests are pivotal. They capture and store carbon dioxide, slowing global warming. Picture these woodlands as the planet's vast lungs, essential in our fight against the greenhouse effect. Yet, their survival is paramount to our protective efforts. Their preservation transcends environmental conservation. It's about securing our future well-being. As we address this pivotal issue, understand that forests do more than regulate our climate. They are the architects of our atmosphere, the protectors of our environment. In the upcoming segment, we delve into the deep-seated connection between forests and humanity, revealing how intertwined our destinies truly are. Let's explore the protective mantle forests offer, vital for both a multitude of species and human flourishing. Forests, with their emerald embrace, are more than the planet's lungs. They are sanctuaries of life and culture. Over 1.6 billion people derive their livelihoods from these natural pantries, utilizing the timber, food, and medicine provided. Beyond physical benefits, forests are vital for human health, offering spaces that reduce stress and boost well-being. They are also cultural keystones for indigenous communities, embodying traditions and spiritual beliefs. These connections highlight the importance of living in harmony with nature. As we explore this symbiotic relationship, we celebrate the mutual dependence between human well-being and forest health, propelling us towards innovative conservation strategies. Traversing the narrative of forests, we've seen their challenges, marveled at their biodiversity, and recognized their critical role in climate management and human welfare. At this juncture, clarity emerges, the imperative for collective, sustainable action. Pivoting towards sustainable practices and supporting reforestation are not options but necessities. Reforestation efforts symbolize our dedication to the planet, a chance to amend past damages. Similarly, policy enrichment and regulatory enforcement are indispensable for forest preservation. Our journey doesn't end here. It's an ongoing saga of resilience and hope. The choices we make today will dictate the vibrancy of these ecosystems for generations to come. Let's commit to a narrative of renewal where forests continue to flourish, sustaining biodiversity, stabilizing our climate, and enriching human lives. Our legacy hinges on these actions.